어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going은 언제나 너에게 going
Okay, udah.
Rose, did you see the result of your exam?
The result of the key.
It was out an hour ago, Rose. Hurry and check your result.
Oh, you're right. The result is out. I just checked the student portal site, Zaki.
How was it, Rose? Did you get a good result? Why do you look so down, Rose?
The result of the exam is out, Zaki. Did you see yours?
Yeah, I saw mine, so that's why you look so down.
That's right. My score is really low, below the minimum passing score. I need to get a good.
What's your score exactly, Rose?
It's 55, Zaki. The minimum passing score for the exam is 60, right? I'm failed.
That's right, but you can take the remedial exam to improve your score.
Really? How about you? What's your score, Zaki?
I got 80, Rose. I apologize in advance, Rose. I told you early because I heard from our teacher that one of them failed this exam.
That's okay, Zaki. I must study hard and I want to make my parents proud with me. You got a good score, right? Then can you teach me, Zaki? I don't want to get a low score again.
No problem, Rose.
Thank you, Zaki, for remembering me and want to help me. Hello, Zaki.
Hello, Rose. I called you early this morning. Why?
Zaki, are you bothered? Today you have a holiday. Can you help me? I want to go for a walk at the Plaza Indonesia Mall. I want to buy the things I want, but I'm confused about which ones are appropriate for me to use.
Yes, I'm not bothered. I also want to buy the rose.
Okay, Zaki, come on. This afternoon we will go get ready first.
Okay, Rose, let's just meet at the mall.
Okay, just wait at the main door. I will let you know when I arrive.
Hello, Rose. I have arrived. Have you arrived yet?
Yes, Zaki, I will arrive in about 5 minutes. Please wait.
Okay, Rose, just let me know.
Hey, Zaki, look behind. I'm here.
Why did you come down here?
Yes, Zaki, at first I didn't get off here. This was because there was a lot of traffic from the front, so want to just get off, so I walked from here.
Oh, I see. By the way, what do we want to buy? I want to buy a headscarf first for a family event later, but I just want a neutral one that can be taken to the campus for a walk. Then help me choose which one is suitable.
Okay, Zaki, later I will help you choose the one that suits me. I want to buy shoes, bag, clothes, and some suitable perfume collection later.
Wait, why are you rushing so much? We can take our time and go slowly. No need to rush.
No, we really need to rush. That shop over there gives a 20% discount for shoes, clothes, bag, and others, so we must hurry or we won't get any.
Really? That's a big discount.
This is what I'm saying. That shop only gives a discount for today, and people already know about it, so they are literally running there. We don't have any time to chat like this.
Rose, which one do you think is better between these two headscarves?
I think the white one is more suitable for you to use.
Is that so? But the yellow one also pretty. It kind of has cheerful vibe.
But white is a natural color, so you can match it with any clothes easily. If the yellow one, you need to wear clothes that have the same or at least similar color.
Well, you're right about it. Okay, then I will buy the white headscarf.
Zaki, help me too. I have a meeting of friends to gather together tomorrow. What do you think I wear?
I think you fit this pink dress and the white shoes. It fits perfectly on your skin.
Really? I also really like this one at first sight. That's why I asked you. And there are two like I like between blue and pink. This one, which one do you think is more suitable?
You're both good, Rose, but I prefer pink. It's very nice. And if you wear it, looks so fancy. By the way, you wear shoes. You are more suitable to wear heels. They are very graceful.
Yes, you are right. Okay, I'm wearing heels for tomorrow's meeting. Thank you very much for today together, Nurse Zaki. It's already afternoon. It's time for us to go home. Be careful on the road. Greetings to family. May the family even be carried out well. See you.
Yes, it doesn't feel like our time here, but Eros. Thank you also for being together today. Greetings also for family. Then the meeting was smoothed or too. Bye.
Zaki, bye.
Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 whole thoughts,